In this video, I'll show you how to install, how to replace your Epson 410XL ink cartridges in your Epson printer. So let's get started right away. Let's remove the plastic. On each side of your printer, you're going to find some gaps. There's one here and there is another one, same place on the other side. We need to lift this top panel. The printer needs to be turned on. And the lid should stay in this position without you holding it. This is where the cartridges will be installed. I'll also show you how to remove them in case you already had some in place. The first one is for the black ink, the biggest of them. Then we have cyan, yellow, magenta, and PBK. This is for the smaller black ink cartridge. So let's start with the first one. This is the larger black ink cartridge. Let me just show you compared to the PBK. As you see, this is another black one, but it's much smaller. So first of all, let's remove this protector simply by unclipping it like this. And now the way you need to hold it is like that, okay? You should be able to read whatever is on the sticker, and where it says push, okay, there's a small circle with push, it should be towards you, not towards the printer. Take your ink cartridge, bring it in the appropriate slot like that, and now simply press push until it clicks in place. You need to hear that click. Let's do the same for the cyan. So I'll go ahead, remove this, simply glide it in place and then push. It's quite easy. For the yellow one, same thing. Oops, it should be like that. And push. Magenta. And finally the PBK ink cartridge. Here we go. Now in the future, if you want to replace one of these, you see there is some blue retainer clips over here. All you have to do is to push on that clip. So let's say I want to remove the magenta. I push, so it unclips, and then I just have to lift it away. Bring the new ink cartridge, put it in place, push, and you're ready to print. To close the lid, you just have to lower it slowly, don't need to slam it, and this is about it.